Hey guys, Rabbit7 here. Welcome to our first video in 2 weeks. Sorry we didn't upload last week. We've been stockpiling some stuff for a pretty cool upload today. First off, we got 2 treasure hunts, as you can probably see from the title and thumbnail. Mr. Andy gave us both these. We got this awesome Kool Kombi, I don't know how you pronounce it, dragster VW bus treasure hunt. These actually go for a decent amount online, so thank you once again even more, because this is a really sought after car. Really like the different colored wheels, but Kool Kombi and the little hippie 60s decos, I don't know, really cool. And my personal favorite, this Zombot. I used to love Zombot. They don't think they've done this casting in at least like 10 years. You can see the little treasure hunt logo on his knee. But this is also a treasure hunt, and I think this is really cool too. So thank you very much, Mr. Andy, for getting us these, and for a little close-up of Zombot. Yeah, this is one of our Zombots. This is, I don't know, the first edition, all gold, pink gun, but this is a very 80s looking car. It's pretty cool.
That's like the 80s, and this is like the new one they made. This one. Pretty hard to see it because it's in the box, and we're not gonna open it.
But yeah, this is the one we have, and this is the one that they just released. But I think that's awesome. Thank you, Mr. Andy, for getting us these cars. And moving on to Series 2 of the new mystery models. Oh. I thought these would be really fun to get. My brother got them for me.
Yeah, I got one for me and one for him.
Yep, so I was thinking about him, and then he comes home and gets 2 for a video, so I thought that'd be pretty cool.
He had no idea, and I had no idea. I was like, what the heck are these?
Well, they released a Series 2 of this series, which is kind of weird.
This is Accelerator's wheels. I don't know what's going on.
Yeah, I don't know if it's actually going to be those, like, Accelerator's tires, but from the list of cars, they look like they all have colored wheels, so they're going to be cool, futuristic alien cars.
I want both of these,
Yeah.
This,
I'm going to be completely honest, they're all really good.
Yeah.
All of them are. I don't think there's a single car, like the Governor, a classic, Project Speeder, and Alien look, that's going to be awesome. Riveted, Bad to the Blade is what I'm going for. I haven't seen this car in a long time. Chevrolet, See You Later, RDO8, RDO3, Torque Screw, Sinistra, Z-Rod is the ultra rare. But this is like a super good set. There's nothing I don't want to get in there, so I'm going for Bad to the Blade, and of course the rares, and
I want both of these.
I don't know, maybe RDO8. I don't have an RDO8. I haven't got one in a while. So, yeah, let's go. We have 2 of these. So
that's gonna be yours.
First one. Oh! Like, oh my, we have really good luck with these. RDO8. Wow. All chrome with these cool shark decals on the side.
Holy crap!
The decals are actually reflective too.
I don't think they have RDO8.
Orange. Yeah, we have one of them. We have McDonald's Accelerations one and an old one I used to have.
Whoa.
But all chrome, really sick looking car.
Look at that. Cool. I wanted this one. Oh, no way.
So we got RDO8.
So that's a sticker. I usually put my stickers on like a board wall or something like that, but I didn't put all of them. Cool. So that's what it looks like. If we get both of them, oh my gosh. Alright, so if you want moving on, alright, here we go.
We can do a little in-depth thing afterwards.
No cheating.
We don't ever look. We just set them on the desk and never look at them until we open them. We've had the treasure hunts for a while now, and the mystery models we just got.
3, 2, 1. No way.
Okay, I'm gonna be completely honest. We have some really good luck with these.
No way.
Okay, you got these. Don't tell me you checked.
I did not.
I swear to God. Alright, because that's insane. Awesome looking car. It's got like, I don't know, is this snake decals on the side? Or like scales? These are sick, metal-based, plastic body. This is going to be a phenomenal track car. Really
that's mine.
Beautiful looking car.
This is yours.
Gray wheels with the green lines around the rims.
Dang,
really cool. Oh, the wheels are metallic.
It's like space cars. Yeah, this is like the Milky Way.
Yeah. And I mean, I don't think we've ever gotten both of what we wanted in a opening of these. But you can definitely expect more of these on the channel, because I really love these mystery models.
I still hate when they do these.
Yeah, they shouldn't put the little preview thing. But, yeah, thank you, Mr. Andy, for these treasure hunts. They are awesome. Big additions to our collection.
Good.
And these awesome mystery models, too. These are great. So, yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe for more videos. We're probably going to have some mystery model unboxings coming even throughout the week. And, yeah. Subscribe for more.
Whoops.
Thanks for 630 subs. Bye.
Bye.